Ну чё, готов?
Да, пошли, валим.
Time is the only healer that I have found. Time is the only healer that seems to stay around. Time is the healer that heals my wounds, heals my broken heart and heals my bruise. As I lay here bleeding on the bedroom floor, my heart is breaking, can't take no more. Trying to find a way out, trying to know what all this is about. My phone bleeps again, another message through. Is this a text to break my heart in two? As I read it, tears fall from my eyes. I realise her love for me has died. Can't go on, my body won't move. Life's no meaning, got nothing to lose. All the memories that we shared together go through my mind. I hope that she remembers the walks in the park, the trips to London, and all the other things we did that was random. The cute kisses she gave on my nose. This is the path that she and I chose. So how can she say she don't want no more? I need to know the reasons, I need to know more, like what did I do wrong? Time is the only healer that I have found.
Итак, сегодня 13 октября. Сегодня третья попытка наша с Ильей прыгнуть с парашютом.
Taken out and beaten down and covered up and down with cement, saying hello on the down low, religions and guns and ammo. In my mind I made my mind up, I don't mean to take your time up. In my heart I know the real trick, baby, I know that you make me sick, sick as a dog. Don't get me wrong, I'm sick as a dog. Got a fever, she believer, medicine makes people evil. Taking lessons, Smith and Wesson, messing up with people's heads.
I was raised on the belief though, would say what was on my mind. No matter what other people think, keep my shit in a straight line. The position I find myself in now though feels pointless, cause expressing myself in this world set me on the point's edge.
You shouldn't be saying the world's corrupt, that's wrong.
You shouldn't be saying such offended things in a song. Yo, that's what I feel, that's what I think is real. It's alcohol's fault apparently that I don't like to conceal. I speak my thoughts, if I don't let it break the seals, I put it all in lyric form and all for mass appeal. Since I was 14, I always wanted to be a rapper. Hold the mic in the center of attention for the crowds getting bounced. Spit on the line and hear a teacher go, wow, man, I feel like I. How did it get sound? I tell you, bitch, it's called determination to open people's eyes to the false in education.